Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best educational Nintendo Switch games for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to engage your kids with creativity, problem solving, or even some lighthearted fun, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have Race with Ryan for the Nintendo Switch. If your kids are fans of Ryan's World, this game is sure to catch their attention. It's a colorful kart racing game that brings Ryan and his friends to life, whisking players away into a vibrant universe filled with fun tracks and wacky power-ups. Kids can race against the clock, compete with friends in multiplayer modes, and unlock surprises as they progress. When it comes to design, the game features bright, child-friendly visuals and easy-to-learn controls, making it accessible even for younger players. The tracks are imaginative, ranging from dinosaur-filled jungles to candy-themed wonderlands, ensuring a fresh experience each time. However, while the design is charming, it leans more towards entertainment than education, which is why it's ranked 5th on our list. The biggest pro of Race with Ryan is its simplicity and appeal to young fans of the franchise. However, the lack of deeper educational gameplay or skill-building mechanics limits its overall value as a learning tool. It's perfect for kids who want a fun, casual racing game and enjoy Ryan's World content, but it may not hold the attention of older children or those looking for more challenging gameplay. At number 3, we have Little Friends, Dogs and Cats, a virtual pet simulation game that's perfect for kids who love animals. This charming game allows players to adopt, care for, and interact with up to 12 pets, each with their own unique personality. From feeding and grooming to going on walks and participating in flying disc tournaments, this game offers plenty of opportunities for kids to develop responsibility and empathy while having fun. The visuals are adorable and realistic, with pets that truly feel alive. The attention to detail in their movements, expressions, and interactions adds a layer of immersion that kids will adore. The game's mechanics are straightforward, making it easy for children of all ages to jump in and play. However, the gameplay can feel a bit repetitive over time, as there aren't many objectives beyond caring for your pets. The pros of Little Friends, Dogs and Cats include its relaxing and non-competitive nature, making it ideal for younger kids or those who prefer a slower-paced experience. On the downside, the lack of deeper gameplay mechanics or educational elements may limit its long-term appeal. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for animal-loving kids who want a nurturing and engaging virtual pet experience. Our runner-up spot goes to The Last Kids on Earth and the Staff of Doom, a thrilling action-adventure game based on the popular Netflix series. In this game, kids take on the roles of Jack, Quint, June, and Dirk as they battle zombie hordes and slime monsters to save the world. The game features cooperative multiplayer gameplay, allowing up to 4 players to team up and strategize together. The game's design is visually appealing, with colorful environments and characters that stay true to the show's style. The gameplay offers a great mix of action, exploration, and light puzzle solving, keeping kids engaged while also encouraging teamwork and critical thinking. However, it's worth noting that the combat-heavy nature of the game might not be suitable for very young children. The biggest strength of The Last Kids on Earth and the Staff of Doom lies in its ability to blend entertainment with problem-solving and cooperative gameplay. On the flip side, the game's educational value is more indirect, focusing more on soft skills like teamwork rather than academic learning. It's an excellent choice for fans of the series or kids who enjoy action-packed adventures with a touch of strategy. Taking the top spot on our list is the Nintendo LABO Variety Kit, a truly innovative and educational product that combines hands-on crafting with digital gameplay. This kit allows kids to build a variety of Toy-Con creations, including a piano, fishing rod, motorbike, and more, using cardboard pieces. Once assembled, these creations come to life when connected to the Nintendo Switch, offering an interactive and highly engaging learning experience. The design and build quality are exceptional, with detailed instructions that make assembly both fun and educational. The Variety Kit encourages kids to explore concepts like engineering, mechanics, and creative problem-solving in a way that feels like play rather than work. The Toy-Con Garage feature adds another layer of value, allowing kids to experiment and invent their own Toy-Con projects. However, the cardboard components may not be the most durable, so some care is needed during play. What sets the Nintendo LABO Variety Kit apart is its unparalleled educational value. It's not just a game, it's a STEM learning tool that fosters creativity, critical thinking, and innovation. The only downside is the higher level of parental involvement required for younger kids during assembly. Overall, it's a fantastic investment for parents who want their kids to learn while having fun, and is our #1 pick for the best educational Nintendo Switch game for kids. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.